And remember to always brush your teeth after every meal. Remember, always wear sunscreen. Avoid eating the yellow snow. And
That's a lot of remembers.
just remember to be you. Oh, and don't forget the one thing about trains. Doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! So that's what we've been doing tonight. The Polar Express. It was mental. It was very good. I think I cried about 4 times, to be honest with you. Anyway, tickets. There you go. Got a heart. Sarah got a B for believe. And got